Hello and welcome back to Pro Chef Academy with Pancake Tuesday just around the corner. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a classic crepe or pancake. So what I have here is my ingredients or my prep done. And what I have here is I have plain flour. So I have about 4 ounces or 110 grams of plain flour, which I've also sifted with a pinch of salt. I also have 2 eggs. I have 50 grams of melted butter, and then in my measuring jug there I have 200 milliliters of milk and 75 mils of water added to it as well. And what I'm going to do here is going to prepare this batter here now first, and then I'm going to make my classic crepe or pancake and show you the demonstration here. These can be finished then traditionally. This is my granny's recipe. Which you would have made for me, and we would have just simply finished these with some fresh lemon juice and some caster sugar and rolled them up. But I'm going to show you here today one of the firm favourites, just because it's Pancake Tuesday tomorrow and I want you all to enjoy this. So see you in a second for stage 2. Okay, so welcome back there, stage 2. So I've made my batter, so that would be sieving your flour and your salt, whisking your egg and your milk and water together, gradually adding to your flour to bring together to a batter, and then adding in your melted butter at the end. Normally what I do is I'd like to leave that to rest there for about 24 hours, and then what I would do then is I have stage 2 here. So now I'm going to make a pancake. So what I normally do is I have a little piece of paper here, or a J-cloth, whatever, a little bit of oil on it, and generally I would just rub a little bit of oil on the pan. You can see I have a lovely pan here, so it's non-stick. You get some of my batter, we pop it in there like that, and what we want to do is we want to lift the pan there before it starts to set and just run it around the rim there until all the batter has set. There we go, so we get a nice thickness, nice thin crepe there. So we have it set there, so we get it back in the heat there. Now we want it to cook. So this will take about a minute and a half, 2 minutes each side. Obviously it will depend on the thickness of your batter. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just cook this on one stage. What I will use then is I'll have a palette knife here, and I'm going to run my palette knife just to make sure that I free the sides of my pancake, that it hasn't stuck. If you have a non-stick pan like this, which is perfect, you can gradually just lift it there, stick the knife in along the center and flip it over there. Beautiful, and you can see there we've got a nice, getting some nice bit of colour there on it, and it's going to come back in a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the finished article there now in a second. And like I said, this is great now for Pancake Tuesday coming up tomorrow. Like I said, very easy to do. If you want to flip, you can see there we have with the non-stick pan, it's going to be easy. We're going to try and flip this. There we go, there's a little flip. You can see a nice little bit of colour there. We're going to flip it back once more and back again, and that's just ready. And like I said, I'm going to finish that with just some sprinkle of caster sugar and a squeeze of lemon juice, and we have a beautiful crepe or pancake all ready for Pancake Tuesday. Flip it once more. There we have our colour. We're going to put it back onto our plate here now. There we go. So there we have beautiful crepes or pancakes all ready for Pancake Tuesday. I hope you've enjoyed this very easy video. If you did, please like, subscribe and share, and we will see you soon again. Thank you for watching.